Get ready for an inspiring journey into the realm of wealth and abundance. Most of us desire financial prosperity, don't we? However, it's intriguing how some individuals effortlessly manifest money into their lives, while others permanently struggle. Continuing our captivating series, inspired by the life-transforming book, The Secret Changed My Life, I am thrilled to share another incredible testimony that will fascinate you. Today's video unveils the remarkable story of a family who manifested their dream house against all odds. But before we embark on this extraordinary tale, I encourage you to participate by sharing your own manifestation stories in the comment section. Your story could be the next one I feature here, and perhaps inspired other people too. If you would like to follow along, you can turn to page 83 of the book. Without further ado, let's dive right into this remarkable journey of manifestation and discover the limitless power within us all. Let's get started. So this family from Pennsylvania in USA described their miracle as how the secret literally moved them to their dream home. My family lived in our former home for 14 years. We were not happy there at all. It needed many repairs and we didn't have the money to fix it. But mostly we all wanted to move away from the neighbor who was making us all very miserable. It was a bad situation, a totally negative environment. I would rather be at work than in that house. It felt like a black hole of depression. For almost 14 years, we kept telling ourselves, we can never move. Nobody will ever want to buy this house. We cannot afford to move. We didn't know about the universe's "your wish is my command" thing, and that we were holding ourselves back with that kind of negative thinking. We had our eye on a house that, when it first went up on the market, was way out of our league financially. But we wished for it anyway. My husband was the most determined of us all. He would point to it and say, "That is going to be our house." We all watched The Secret, and our lives changed drastically for the better. All four of us used the power of The Secret together. Now we had the tools to properly visualize living in that beautiful house we dreamed of, picturing where our new furniture would go, looking out the window from the inside, how it would be decorated, cooking meals in the kitchen, and breathing in the scent of the meal, sitting peacefully on the patio, landscaping, waving to our new neighbors, feeling the feelings. We believed we already lived there. And within 5 weeks, we really did live there. We put our house on the market and received an offer nearly our asking price within 2 days. The house we wanted had been on the market for 18 months, and the price had been drastically reduced to sell. We got a mortgage quickly and without any problem, and had plenty of money left over to buy new furniture. Now, I cannot even wait to come home from work. I even come home from lunch. I thank God every day and enjoy living there every single second of my life. We are all so happy, thanks to the law of attraction and The Secret. Wow, this whole family experienced a remarkable phenomenon during their imaginative exercise. Rather than merely envisioning their ideal abode, they fully immersed themselves in the visualization. They saw the house, felt its presence, and even caught a hint of its captivating scent. By engaging multiple senses in their visualization, their belief in the manifestation of their dream home grew stronger, propelling its materialization at a quicker pace. This small but very inspiring story reminds us of the incredible power of visualization. When we involve our senses, we create a profound connection between our dreams and reality. The more vividly we imagine our goals, the more likely they will come to fruition. So I really encourage you to explore the depths of your imagination and employ all your senses in visualizing your aspirations. Engage your mind's eye. Feel the emotions accompanying your vision, and let the fragrances and sounds transport you to the realm of possibility. Remember, the key to transforming dreams into reality lies within you, and you have the ability to shape your destiny. Don't live for tomorrow. Please, take action today. If you found value here, please like and subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who may benefit from its message. Together, let us unleash the force of visualization and create a world where dreams become tangible achievements. Thanks so much for watching, and have a lovely day.